I do want to highlight that I heard a lot of different points being made, and I just kind of wanted to go through some of them. There were concerns that birthright citizenship encourages illegal immigration, and I want to rebut that because there's no credible evidence, not feelings, evidence, that birthright citizenship is a significant driver of illegal immigration. In fact, most undocumented immigrants come for work opportunities or to flee violence. It fluctuates based on economic and geopolitical conditions, not constitutional rights. It was said that, that the 14th Amendment wasn't meant to apply to children of undocumented immigrants. And the Supreme Court has affirmed that the 14th Amendment applies to all persons born on U.S. soil, regardless of parents' immigration status. It was said that other countries, don't allow this, birthright citizenship and so forth. And that's inaccurate because more than 30+ countries offer this and really have a foundation of equality, fairness, and the rule of law. It has been said that anchor babies are used to gain legal status, and again, US-born child does not grant legal status to parents. In fact, a child cannot petition for a parent's green card until they are 21 years of age. I've heard before that we should prioritize citizens, not reward lawbreaking. And again, birthright citizenship does not reward lawbreaking. It affirms the rights of children born here, not the actions of their parents. And punishing newborns for their parent status is unjust, un-American, and unconstitutional. And one of the main concerns is that, we talk about, potentially revisiting the 14th Amendment to reflect modern realities and immigration and much more. And I want to highlight that the 14th Amendment was written after the Civil War to guarantee equality and citizenship rights, especially to those formerly enslaved. Our history. Undermining it now risks unraveling over a century of civil rights protections, and the fact that, again, I as an American, and many of us in this chamber, do not want to create second-class citizenship status based on race, status, or origin. Many other countries do. And in fact, the reason why this is so important to me is because if you take a look at other countries and take a look at how they treat people of their neighboring countries that are refugees in their country, or a different ethnic group, or a different religious group, or a different group that speaks a different language, we see the disparity. We point and say they don't treat people right. We would be opening the door to behave in the same manner, and yet we always are the ones that actually come from a place of integrity and high moral standards, and we literally display that for the world, saying right is right, wrong is wrong. And yet we're having conversations in this country saying that, oh, well, people, in fact, we heard it today, the thought process is that people that have birthright citizenship aren't loyal to this country. The fact that I hear that in California on the Senate floor is deeply damaging. And the reality is this: our current president was born in New York, making him a birthright citizenship, as his mother was a Scottish immigrant. Many people in his administration have birthright citizenship and are Americans because of the rights afforded to them because they were lucky enough to be born on this soil. From all different backgrounds. And under the thought process that I heard today, basically, we heard that birthright citizenship by naturalization, people aren't loyal to this country. And that is incredibly offensive. There are people that sign up for the United States military to give their lives for this country, for the mere opportunity to become a citizen. And we are saying, I'm so sorry, but that's not good enough. So I want to highlight as much as possible that this is a right that needs to be protected. This is a right that people fight for and have died for. This is a right that has been long-standing, and this is a right that I will continue to defend. I respectfully ask for an aye vote.